Hi, this is Arts1 saying this is a screen capture for Dropbox, an instruction on how to use it and integrate it with Santa Monica City College photo class. So what we're going to do here is the first thing we're going to actually do is go ahead and launch Safari. So when we launch Safari up, we're going to get a default homepage, whatever that might be. Simply go into the address bar and type in www.dropbox.com. Press enter. Now when you actually arrive at Dropbox, what you need to do here is authenticate your credentials. So in this case, I'm going to actually enter my credential in, or essentially what it is your email address. So smc.edu, and right. So if you're on your own computer, if you want Dropbox, the website itself, to remember your email, you can simply click the box remember me right there. Now if you're on a public computer or on your friend computer trying to turn something in, uncheck that so that your email doesn't actually it's not memorized on the system. Once you're done with that, go ahead and click on login. It's the most straightforward system you're ever going to use. Now the way how I set up the materials for my class is this. What you're going to see when you first log into Dropbox, or the second or third time, subsequent times, that I'm going to share a folder with you. The moment I do that, you're going to see under sharing tab right here in Dropbox, there's going to be a little token or a little flag that shows up with the number 1 on there. So what I'm simply going to do is click on the sharing, and then it say one new shared folder invitation. Go ahead and click on that, and it says share folder invitation SMC. It's just going to go ahead and click on accept. When you accept this, it's going to take you to the folder itself so that you can see all the files or all the folder underneath it. That's how you actually accept a shared folder from your faculty member, in this case me, Art. Okay, so the next thing what we're going to do here is that we're going to actually go and take you to a tour of the SMC Photo 1, my class folder a little bit here to kind of show you how to work with Dropbox. Okay, so if you click on that, once you go into SMC Photo 1, which is a shared folder that I'm going to share with you, you're going to see 3 folders or even more underneath it. One of them is going to be class materials. If you go ahead and click on class materials, I'll have PDF of the slideshows that we talk about in class, and also some other materials such as syllabus and assignment will be uploaded through here as well, so you can actually download them, including any data sheets that you might need. Now, when you're actually ready to use this, what you're going to do is that you can either click on a document and it will open within the browser like you're going to see here, if your browser has a PDF plugin, or if you're trying to download another file format, what you simply do is you can actually just check mark that, or if you have multiple files here, just check mark multiple files, come to the end right here, and then click on the drop down arrow and click on download files. Okay, it's going to download the file right into your download folder, as you can kind of see here, and open it up right away as is showing me right now. The best way to actually get the file from a Dropbox is to use the web interface as I'm showing you right now. Now, Dropbox also have another feature where you can install Dropbox on your computer. Yes, you can do that. However, if you decide to move a file when it's actually sharing your computer, you literally technically move the file out from the server. Therefore, your friends will no longer have access to the file. So the best thing to do is to use the web base here, select all the file you want, and just come click on download file. So now the next question is, well, when I need to turn something in, how do I do that? Very simply enough, you're going to go up to the parent folder, and it's going to be listed by assignments here. So for the first assignment is coming up, it's going to be assignment 01, depth and motion. So you're going to click on that. Simply when you come into this folder, create a new folder. Just go ahead and click on create a new folder, and a new create folder thing is going to show up. So in this case, I'm going to actually name a assignment 01 underscore my name, my last name actually, underscore first character, first initial, or first character of first initial. And then what I'm going to do is simply type in the assignment name. In this case, we're going to use depth. Okay. Once you're done with the name, click on create. It's going to save. Now you're going to see a folder with your name on there. So when you're done with that, go ahead and click on the folder name itself. And underneath here, there's going to be nothing right now. So you're simply going to do is that make sure that you're in your folder so you can verify it up top right here. And then just simply click on upload. When you click on upload, you now have this dialog that pops up. Simply click on choose file, and just go browse to your desktop or wherever have you that you have those files for download. So for instance, let's say I want to upload these 4 files to turn in. Now normally the files would be named with my name, obviously, assignment, last name, and first initial, and then the assignment name. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to click on Start Upload, and it's going to upload all the files for me. And it might take some time depending on how fast your internet connection is. Once the file uploads, you can kind of see there all the files are there. If you can verify by clicking on it, you can take a look at a preview of the file, as I'm showing you now. But most of the time, if your files is there, that means your file has been uploaded, and that means I can actually have access to your data. Now, once you're done with this, that means your assignment is turned in. Okay? Try not to actually, if you decide to upload something, try not to take it down if you make a mistake or something like that, just because you might actually mess up the file system on here. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and log out of Dropbox. Again, if you click on the files itself, you can go to see your share folder, which in this case is SMC Photo 1. So if I look in the assignment folder, again, my name is going to be there. Now, you're going to see a lot of your colleagues folder there. Don't worry about it. So just go ahead and create one of your own, and you can actually practice that. Now, what I've also done beside the assignment turn-in folder and the class materials folder is I also create a folder called Soft Proof. This folder called Soft Proof is for you to actually upload your work, and if you actually want to get some basic critique before the day that is due, or way before it is due, like let's say you've gone out and photographed a few assignments ahead of time and you like to know if these images work, you can do that. So if you click on Soft Proof, again, there's going to be no folder. The protocol for the way how you want to name your folder in Soft Proof is that you're going to put down the month and the date. So for example, today is the 17th, so we're going to put 0917 underscore your last name, again, first character, and then underscore the quick brief title assignment. Or in this case, I'm going to upload something for depth. I'm going to put down depth there and just click on create. And then simply I'm going to go underneath it and then upload the file the same way by choosing a file as I've showed you before. Now, the reason why I would like you to actually put a date for the folder in the Soft Proof is that this is going to be the central folder that you're going to be using to turn in all your test stuff to me. So that means that, for example, if 3 weeks down the road you decide to turn in a test assignment, having a date there helps. So then I can go and clean it up and actually find out when you upload those files to me. So again, that's just Dropbox in a nutshell. Once you're done with this, you can click on log off. Like I said, try to avoid using the Dropbox application that's on your computer, because it could have actually consequences if you're not really sure what you're really doing in terms of downloading, uploading files, and so forth. So again, that's Dropbox in a nutshell. Please send me an email if you have any questions.